Hi, Dr. Ice here, board certified cardiologist. This is part 2 of my video where I talk about lean animal proteins that do not jeopardize your heart health. So I had done the part 1 of the video and it was such a big response, and I am actually doing this video to answer the questions I got in the comments. First question I got, which was about tilapia, was the fact that tilapia is a farmed fish. Yes, if you can get wild fish and can afford wild fish, that is preferred, has more diverse micronutrients, but cost is a significant factor when people are choosing the proteins that they do get. And so a lot of times tilapia ends up being an affordable protein source that is still very lean and can be part of a heart healthy diet. Second question I had was about eggs. Eggs are a fantastic source of protein. Egg yolk in particular has a lot of other nutrients such as lutein, choline, etc. that can be very helpful for eye health and many other things in the body. The issue is egg yolk does have a lot of cholesterol, around 180 milligrams to 200 milligrams of cholesterol. We have debated over the years, cardiology field, back and forth about the impact of dietary cholesterol, especially from eggs. The thinking currently is that dietary cholesterol is more an issue for people who have the genes to not manage dietary cholesterol well, and people who already have high cholesterol, etc. I think a reasonable approach is to limit your egg yolks to 1 egg yolk a day as an adult, and the egg whites have no cholesterol in them, and so egg whites are completely free and you can have at them. And next question I got was about pork. I don't eat pork personally. I have a bias against pork because so many cuts of pork have very saturated fats. There is one lean cut of pork which is called pork tenderloin or pork loin, which has around 20 something grams of protein, around 4 grams of fat, but predominantly saturated fat. I wouldn't go as far as saying that any other parts of pork can be part of a heart healthy diet. You may be able to get away with pork tenderloin, but in general, I don't eat pork. We'll obviously do more of these animal protein series. Let me know in the comments what animal proteins you'd like for me to discuss further. It's been quite a surprise, the response I have gotten to this video, and I'm very happy to discuss more. Bye!